your girl Cynthia, back with another video. So today I'm going to teach you how to create this orangey look. So I did get inspired by my nails and a new palette that I hadn't touched before this video. So if you guys want to learn how I created this look, just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started with the eyes. The palette I am going to be using today is the Morphe 15D. This one came in the box to Charm maybe like 2 or 3 months ago. I haven't used it or anything, so I thought it was perfect to use today since our inspiration is the color orange. This palette is mainly composed of that, so let me just show you guys the palette. So it has some oranges, some neutrals, and some dark browns up here. So yeah, so if you guys want to know how I get this shadow look, just keep watching. So I'm going to start off with the shade Forever up here. I'm going to be taking my Japanese fluffy brush. This one is number 723. So I'm going to dip that in Forever. And we're just going to go ahead, take it in the crease, just doing windshield wiper motion. Then I'm going to take a Luxie large shadow brush and I'm going to dip it in the crease. This orange color. I'm going to go ahead and pack it on the lid. Right off the bat, this palette is pretty pigmented actually. Now I'm going to take a Luxe small shader brush and I'm going to dip it in Glow. And I'm going to pack it in the center of the lid. And then go ahead and take the same one and drop it in the inner corner. Take a clean fluffy brush and start buffing it out in the inner corner. Now go ahead and take the first blending brush, the Japanese one, and dip back into Forever. And the lower lash line. Blending it, connecting to the outer. So we're going to go ahead and take an orange liner. This one's got an Urban Decay called Anatomy. And then we're going to go and take a flat angled brush and we're going to dip it into Sweet, the darkest brown there is. We're going to go ahead and take it along the lash line, really thin. I'm going to start creating a wing. So you can create the wing as thick as long as you like. This is just my preference. You can just also not do a wing. It's to you. Just gives it a softer effect with a brown eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced and apply that. going to go ahead and take some lashes. I cut them up to my sides. We're using my duo glue. So this is one eye complete. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side and I'll be right back. So we're going to go ahead with the face. So I'm going to be using Alamar Cosmetics. This one is Colorette Blush Trio, also from a past BoxyCharm. Perfect again because it's all orange blushes. So we're going to go ahead and take those. I'm going to take a Real Techniques brush, dipping it into these two right here. Mainly kind of doing like if I'm sunburned down here on the other side. On top of the nose also. For highlight, I'm going to take Pretty Vulgar and Glow Up Highlight. I'm going to take a Clinique large shader brush. Smile, pick it on here. And light it up. In here, smile, and then pack it up. On my forehead, here, typical chin. I'm going to take a Lexi mini flat angled, dip it in the highlight, do a little dot on the nose right here. And then a line. For the freckles, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in the color Chocolate. I'm going to take a very thin brush, packing it on the lighter color, and just randomly doing some dots. There's some up here as well. Then go ahead and grab the darker and do less darker color on the dots. Okay. Now grab a sponge and start patting on the eyeshadow. This way it makes it look more natural. So we're going to go ahead and line the lips. I'm going to be using a Palladio lip liner in the shade Spice. Alright, so I'm going to be taking Ofra Miami Fever Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. before it dries up, take the brush we used the orange shade on, pack it on, place it, going to go ahead and take the Pure Lip Mist, the illuminating spray. Smells good. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some earrings on, change and fix up my hair a little bit, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, as always, remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below anything you'd like to see, any questions you have, just let me know. I'm here for you. So yeah you guys, hopefully I see you in my next video.